All right, we're going to be looking at lesson 6.3. We're going to be adding and subtracting fractions using models, equations, and then solving some word problems. So we're starting off with a fraction bar here that's been divided into sevenths, 7 equal parts. 3 of the sevenths have been circled here, that's 3 sevenths. 2 sevenths have been circled here. So this model is showing that 3 sevenths plus 2 sevenths is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sevenths. But now let's write that as an equation down here. If I take 3 sevenths plus 2 sevenths, that's 3 plus 2 sevenths is 5 sevenths. Okay? So using what I just showed you in problem number 1, complete 2, 3, and 4. And then answer problems 5 and 6. All right? Pause the video and do that, and then start it up again. Now let's look at subtracting fractions. We have that same fraction bar. It's been divided into sevenths. But I noticed that 6 sevenths have been circled right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 sevenths have been crossed out. So 6 sevenths minus 2 sevenths is 4 sevenths. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the model. Now let's write that as an equation. We started with 6 sevenths. We took away 2 sevenths. 6 minus 2 sevenths leaves us with 4 sevenths. Now turn to the next page. Do problems 8, 9, and 10 the same way. Then answer questions 11 and 12. Pause the video now and then do that. Start it up again. Now the rest of the page is just giving you some mixed practice with addition and subtraction. These first problems 13 through 21 are meant to be done like this. You have 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 1 plus 2/4 for a total of 3/4. So add these two fractions together, show it, and then write the final answer out here. Now 22 to 27, same idea, we're just writing it vertically. 7/9 minus 5/9 is 2/9. Seven minus 5 is 2. All right. Go ahead and finish these problems out. Be careful to look at the signs. Some are subtraction and some are addition. Now let's wrap up our lesson by looking at some word problems. And I'm going to use comparison bars. Those were pretty good when we were working with addition and subtraction. Okay. So let's say this top bar represents the total. The two shapes below are what you would add together to get that total. Okay. I'm going to try to copy these shapes so I can use them later. But let's try this problem. Wayne had 7/8 cup of trail mix. He ate 3/8 cup as he was hiking. How many cups does he have now? So there's my question. All right, I'm going to call that C. I know that he had 7/8 to start with. I know that somewhere along the line he ate 3/8 of a cup. But now, how much does he have now? So to find that out, I'm going to use inverse operations. 7/8, take away what he ate, 3/8 should tell me what he has left now. 7/8 minus 3/8 is 4/8. C equals 4/8 cup of trail mix. Now let's see if we can use the comparison bars again to solve this next problem. Reese had 2/4 cup of orange juice. She added pineapple juice to make a total of 3/4 cup of juice. Here's a question. How much pineapple juice did she add? There's a keyword added, okay? So she had 2/4 cup of orange juice. Then she added some pineapple juice. We don't know how much pineapple juice to make a total of 3/4 cup of juice. So we know she has 3/4 cup total of juice. She had 2/4 cup of orange juice and she added some pineapple juice, but we don't know how much that was. So if we take these two and add them together, we should get the total. So let's see if we can write an equation. If I take the total amount that she has, 3/4, if I subtract out using inverse operation the amount of orange juice that she had, that should tell me how much pineapple juice she used. 3/4 minus 2/4 equals 1/4. She added 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. Okay? 2/4 plus 1/4 gets me 3/4. All right. Let's see if we can make this work again. One last time, and then you can do the rest on your own. I'm using comparison bars. It says, Narisha walks 4/5 mile to school each day. This is 2/5 mile farther than Kat walks. She walks 2/5 miles more than Kat. Here's the question, how far does Kat walk to school? So, Nasira walks 4/5 of a mile. That's the total. That's 2/5 more than what Kat walks. So if I take what Kat walks, add 2/5 of a mile more, I'll get what Nasira walks. So, pretty simple. Let's use 4/5 as the total. I subtract out the 2/5. That should give me what Kat walks. 4/5 minus 2/5 equals 2/5. So Kat walks 2/5 miles. 2/5 plus 2/5 equals 4/5. So what I'd like you to do is kind of use the comparison bars and see if you can't finish out problems 33, 34, and 35